My wife. Wow, please know that I did not spend any live cash to get these 10 keys. I sold an M4A4 skin so that I may have a chance in getting a knife, and that is not a knife. Okay, up to a good start, and here we go with the second key. Give me the AK-47, baby. Give me that Neon Revolution. And I don't want that. Third key! Go for the gold! Eto na yun, Paps. Yeah! Take it till you make it. Eto talaga, Paps, pag may lumabas na yellow out of... Oh! Holy fuck! Oh my God! Let's fucking go! Ooh! Oh my God! That's a fucking AUTOTRONIC right there. Ang lalagago, putang ina. Ah! Hindi ako makahinga. Ganito pala itsura ng karambit. Putangina, ano ba wear rating neto? Field tested, putangina, wala kang paki kahit field tested yan. AUTOTRONIC yan, gago. Ang lala, what the fuck? Putangina, nasa inventory ko na talaga. Southeast Asian Martial Discipline of Silat. Gago, ito yung ginamit sa The Raid 2, Pops.